Mongo, give me press.
God have mercy upon
my
us.
phone.
So man, what they do here since?
Cassie, what happened? I collect press under the Mongo tree, the press under the Mongo tree, you find pass the one inside the farm.
Oh, your customer don't they call you, don't they ring since so.
My customer called me.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. My hello. It's me, Swancy, the relationship preparer. It's me. Oh, somebody introduction you to me. What happened in your relationship? What happened? Your relationship is broken, you're broken. And what happened? Why you collect my phone number? Your relationship is got leakage.
God have mercy upon us.
Leakage. Leave from line, make your relationship leak finish. If your relationship don't leak finish, I repair them. I said, if your relationship may leak finish, leave from. If you leak finish, I have to repair them very well. I know they repair leakages relationship, bro. Hello? You heard me? Person told you, explanation to you, say I know they repair relationship with leakage. When your relationship don't leak, pata leak finish, I repair them, brand them for you, for new. But if you get leakages, I know they repair though, allow them to leak finish. Hello?